cold. She belongs to the street.
I'm going to bed. Fine shit. Appreciate it. Hey, thank you. Oh, how cute. How you do it like that? What is that? No, he didn't do that. He did like this. Florida, why you don't speak? You don't know English? You dance? I see it on the thing. Why does that say my name? That just said Jamaica.
What?
It said Jamaica. I thought I seen it. That cut water. Daddy.
They must have amnesia. They forgot that I'm him.
You don't talk, he's talk. Nigga just trying to be nonchalant. Like, you know English? That nigga know English. He black as fuck. Look at him. Oh, you deaf? No, you're not deaf. Like, so what? You just don't. Frank, he hear what we saying. Look, that nigga black. He know 19. He know how to speak. Oh, maybe he doing a little application first. For real. It's an application and then an application. For real. Like, that's how strict his program is. That's right. Yeah. She said, oh, she actually got me fucked up. I think you just fucked up. And I was fucked up. Like, and he laughing and shit. You think this shit is a joke? You should feel ashamed. Embarrassed. That's that manipulator. That's narcissist shit, yeah.
Oh my god, y'all shit fucking up, bro.
I think today's like the first time they call me out of my house. Hello. Are you serious? You don't speak? What? Okay, what do you want to say? Where does it say I'm from? Where does it say I'm from? Where does it say I'm from? It says New York, right? Why are you asking me Donna? What does it say? Yo, that nigga fine as fuck.
I look good. I look good. I look delicious.
No, I'm ugly as fuck. Hell no.
Nah, you fine as fuck.
I'm ugly as fuck. Don't do that. Where you from?
Wait, can I give you my Snapchat?
Come on, man. That's too easy.
Anything you wanna do, shorty?
Will you add me?
For sure. Where you from?
Canada, Alberta.
I'm from Jamaica. Feel me?
I was supposed to be in two. Yo! Now secret your mouth. What's up? Fuck. You trying to make sure we not robots? Fuck no, I'm not trying to get my IP address took. I'm Jesus. New York. Why you always New York. The fuck are you talking about? I'm from the Bronx. I'm so sorry. My name is Liliana.
She call me daddy, I don't even know her mama.
Oh, bitch, she not from the Bronx.
Liliana. I'm from Miami, okay? Real shit, I'm from Miami. I'm sorry. Fine shit, thank you type shit. That's my friends. You know what I'm saying? Get mine. Thanks. Okay. And you can get him too, like.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know what I'm saying? If you fuck with that type of shit. Yeah, it's cute. No, I think it. Most definitely not. I get some honey buns. The honey buns is 65. Thanks. Oh, come on. I'm gonna troll people and be like, I just talked to them. Bad.
desperate, bro.
Bitch, I was desperate, bro. You could have been my daddy.
Stop. Keep it going, keep it going.
What's your name?
What's your name? Riley.
Where are you from? Then we got all the questions pretty much ready.
I'm from Texas.
Texas Roadhouse sounds so good right now, bro.
Fine shit. Low key.
Show me that. Show me that.
Yeah. Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go.
You got it.
Daddy. I'm scared what's to come next. like the snack?
Hello. What's up, nigga? The fuck? Jamaican ass nigga. Are you speaking your English? Nah, you gotta speak to me. I don't know nothing about no paper. You know how to talk. You know how to talk. Your mouth. Use your mouth. You know. You don't know how to talk? Stop lying. Why you can't talk? Why? You're... What does that mean? I'm 19. How about you? Who's 5'2"? You? You short. I'm taller than you.
You got me.
You're not no daddy. But listen though, why can't you talk? I wanna know that. Why can't you talk? I know. Yeah, I know I'm fine shit. Why can't you talk though? What? What does that mean? You're, I don't know how to say it in English. You're Buddha?
What you talking about?
I'm Dominican.
What you
So
talking
you say
about?
you're playing with me? I'ma fuck you up.
Come on, fuck me up. What you doing?
Huh?
Get your ass here. Come fuck me up.
You're from where?
I'm from Jamaica.
Okay, so why wasn't you talking?
I don't know. I was stuttering.
Why you doing that weird shit?
I be fucking around.
Don't be fucking around with me. Fuck around with the next person.
I'm not 5'2", by the way.
How tall?
I'm 5'11".
Okay, so why you lying?
Bro, this shit fake. What you talking about? We're just fucking. I was trolling you.
You a bored motherfucker. Just doing shit.
Come light on my
What
day.
you doing on this app?
Looking for you.
Yo, you a flirt. What you doing on this app?
Where'd you say you from?
Huh?
Where'd you say you from?
I'm from Massachusetts.
From Massachusetts. You Mexican? That's what you said?
Who's Mexican?
Oh, look. What did you say? I don't remember.
I didn't say none of that to you.
What's your ethnicity?
I'm Dominican.
I mean, you got that thick shit, right?
Yep. There you go. You Jamaican niggas love these big bitches.
Cause we got that big dick, you feel me?
I love it, period. As y'all should.
What you know about Jamaican niggas?
I don't know, but you gonna show me.
Yeah, we skinny too, that's the point, you feel me? Like,
Huh?
we skinny ass niggas too, you feel me? So,
I love me a skinny nigga.
For sure.
I hate fat niggas. They got no dick.
That's their fault. I don't know what to say.
Exactly. That's why I stay away from you. I come to y'all.
So let me get your number then.
Let me get my Instagram.
I'm not going. Fuck no.
You can get my Instagram.
If you fuck with me that much, give me your number.
My nigga.
What you mean? I just
Girl,
met
I'm not
you.
gonna stop. So what's the? It's the same fucking thing.
Huh?
It's the same shit.
Okay, I'm gonna give you my number.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss. No. In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
Yeah.
For sure.
How old are you? 20?
I'm older than your ass, girl.
I'm asking you.
Could be your daddy, you know that.
Okay, that's okay. I like him older, but how old are you?
What's your type? What, you like black?
I don't got a type. I love him black.
I can really make your bitch fuck sit down. Bitch possibly. What I? In here. I told you Philly. I said Philly. Yeah, we're gonna go right back out. Nigga, don't say her quiet either. Why am I saying my back to this nigga?
You bitch, shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. I'll knock the fuck out you.
Damn, man.
Hey.
Ooh, fucking you up, you? Yeah, that's next.
What's up? I don't love you.
I'm lucky smoking. I might mute. So, like, okay. Just for a little bit. I'm gonna talk though. Alright.
No. 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 And no. Find somebody else.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
What are you looking at?
I'm on Monkey and he's talking about shake some ass.
Oh, what? What? Hey, hell no. Literally.
And I told him somebody else. He's talking about no.
The fuck? It ain't a choice for you. It's a choice for me. The fuck? What's he doing? Like,
I want to clap them cheek. You're dragging it. You're dragging it. I'm just kidding.
Talo.
Bye. Shut. My name's Elena. Jasmine. Daddy?
Don't make me act up. You don't make me do something I'm gonna regret.
Jersey. Fine shit. Thank you. Too fast, bruh.
Stop the count right now. Stop the count.
What?
oh, you're getting
getting interrogated by someone. Oh shit. Nah, that's you. Debbie, how about you? Oh, alright.
Get the at name for me.
What's your name? Jasmine. How about you? Well, I knew that was coming. What tattoos you got? What? You want to say it? Ain't you really Giovanni? What's the tattoo right here say? Behind your ear. Be my What about the one on your arm? No, it don't say that on your arm. It don't say that on your arm. It's a full name. It's a name. I know what the name looks like. You ain't fooling me. I know what tattoo names look like. It's not I love you. Because if it was said I love you, it would have been an I. Then it was here. They don't like that. Hello? Get that money up, not your funny up, okay? Okay? I'm not fucking playing with you. Alright? I'm just saying. What's up? But I'm just saying. Get that money. Get into that bag. Like, what? Have a nice day. I don't. Thank you. Genre, le gars, il m'a demandé des photos et des vidéos.
Au phosphorus.
J'ai envoyé. Et j'ai fait quoi? Slap. Fuck off. Excuse me. Interrupting your call. Oh, you can't speak. It's cool, your tattoo's cool, I saw them. They look nice. Yeah, they look nice. Jazz, with a Z. Cause I'm cool. Virginia. Hope well. Don't nobody know that shit. I know you don't know where that's from. I don't believe it unless it's said out loud. You know, actions don't mean shit unless like it gotta add up. Nah, fuck that shit. Niggas, they be lying and they don't know how to say shit. That shit lying, you lying. I don't say that shit. Balls is whack. I don't want to be nobody's fucking ball. I'm grown lady. I don't want to be nobody's ball. I want to be somebody's woman. Somebody's wife. I'm not fine shit. I'm beautiful. Who taught y'all that shit? That shit ain't cute. I'm pretty. I'm not fine shit. Yeah, I'm not fine shit. I'm pretty. You gotta tell me your name. No, hell no. Daddy talks around this bitch. Daddy. I don't know who the fuck you are because you're not talking. I don't know your name for real. I said pussy niggas don't say shit. Shut up. That's where I'm from, that's what they say. pussy niggas don't say shit. So, are you a pussy nigga? Just give it pussy nigga. Cause you're not saying shit. I don't even like that. I'm not even like that to call you that. But
I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna beat you. I will beat your ass, girl.
Ooh.
I'll beat your ass.
See, I'm different. Like if you need me, just call me.
There you go. There you go, Zaddy. There you go, Zaddy.
She call me daddy, I don't even know her mama.
Love.